This is where I find myself today. Looking for some S10 parts maybe, I don't know. Just kind of exploring really. Oh, looks like there's one right there. But we don't know what we need yet. That's for 03. Kind of need that vent right there. She looks kind of cracked, but supposedly there's a couple of them here, so. I think this is a two-wheel drive. Pretty soft. Those wheels look kind of screwy. I need one of those. Those are broken. I don't look too bad. I might need to take that. That throttle body actually is pretty pricey online. Might take that. We'll see. Might come back for that. We'll take more look, I guess. I'll go down and see what there is for another one. Oh, the stuff here is pretty cool. It's a mud yard today. It's been raining big time. Got a little Sonoma. This fender looks pretty clean. I might take that off. Don't look hurting. There's a gap, but it's all lined up really. Such a huge difference. I wonder. It looks lined up compared to the hood. That's the issue. So I take that fender. It's really clean. What's this one? 03? I think that would fit. Still a lot here on this one. I'll look up another road first. That much of a job to get off. The other one's bumped pretty hard right there. It's pushed in. This one's very clean for S10. Got all the new radio stuff in it. Newer style. See if there's any more. I'd like to have a red. That'd actually be perfect. But we'll see. We're gonna keep looking. He said he had a couple of them, so. I'll look up this road real quick. Colorado. Tires are gone on that. Those are 16s. I wonder if those will fit S10. I think they might. Wheels are not bad. Tires ain't too crazy. Be good for a summer wheel. That one ain't bad back there. Alright, we'll do a quick look. So, end up taking the mirror off. Got a small score. Right now, don't really need the other one right now. Starter in there. Don't know if it works. I'm gonna go back and check that white one out, but it's starting to rain pretty good now. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully it dies off. Alright. So we managed to get this throttle body off. These throttle bodies are pretty pricey now. Hopefully it ain't too bad on the price, but they are super expensive. Over $100 now for these. So I'm gonna take this one either way, because I do. You never know when you're gonna need one. I don't feel like paying over $150 for one. Alright, we managed to get it off. It ain't looking too bad. Just need to be cleaned up. Good deal. Hopefully it ain't too bad. Where are you gonna find it, right? I might go down and get that fender off. I don't know yet. It stopped raining, so we got a mirror, throttle body, a let's see. Hopefully the rain does all right and don't have to worry about it. So we got a score on that, 50 bucks. Throttle body's worth that all day. They're expensive. But that's what we got so far. I might go take off the fender, but we'll see. So I wanted to plan to take this off. Just took that all off. That was fun. But, I mean, the thing is clean. No rust in that. Must have been a Southern truck or something, because there's no rust on this. And in Maine, there's rust on everything usually. So, this is my garage floor. Because it's just been so wet. Figured it'd help out a little bit. But I gotta take this off with 2 hands, so I figured I'd show a little bit. Hard work's done. So we got it on. Wasn't too bad. I was hung up on one last bolt. But, I mean, this thing's no rust. $50, I guess it's worth it. All I gotta do is put paint on it. Usually they're all rotted right here. So this is solid. Where are you gonna find it? But yeah, I gotta go up front and pay the dude. Alright, $50. Alrighty, that was this adventure, getting parts for the S10. Good place. They don't have many S10s, so parts are getting pretty rare. Alrighty, thanks for watching. God bless.